afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to our social online class, children. Here we have finished yesterday the page number 242. Yes, no? So please, children, take out your textbook. Here page number again we will revise 242 and 243. Be ready with your page number 242 and 243. Okay, children. Now what you have to do here, see, once we will revise there, what we will do once we will revise that yesterday I told you now, if you will go to some new places, you want a map. Okay, that only will call map and direction. And somebody if we are going to the new places, through the map we are going to reach the place, the route. If we will ask some place, we'll go, map will show, go take left, take right, okay, go back. Okay, so through that we want that route map we want. Okay, so now here in the second page, what they have given, children, here please keep your finger, okay, to page number 243. What here they have given, maps are much smaller. Maps are much smaller representation of the actual size of the area on the ground. Okay, for this I can say, if we want to represent, see here I can say, in this is a landmark and we have hill here, okay, so here hill is there and we want to map. So by this, in the small area, in this area only, in this small, this one only, we will include the map. You can't say here, like here in the landmark, here it is 100 kilometers. Okay, it is 100 kilometers, and here higher it is 50 kilometers. Okay, children, 50 kilometers. So by the map we will represent. Represent means we have to present and we have to show by in the smaller way. Okay, then only you will able to give a direction through the map. Okay, in the smaller way we have to represent the what? Map. In the smaller map we have to take in the smaller map, because such a big, here is a so long you can show your map. No, it is not possible. So in the smaller way we have to take a scale and we have to represent our map. Understand, children? So this is they are telling here. Okay, okay, now what they have given here is scale on a map represent the relationship between the distance on the map and a ground. That only same I told, no, we will show the distance on the map on the ground. If you want to in the simple way, you want to show somewhere. Okay, see, I have a house. Okay, here is my house. Okay, in this full area, this is full my building house. Okay, here. Okay, children, you can say this is our house. Here near me one more house is there. Okay, so how you come to know here that, okay, children, here, okay, two houses. This is down area, this land down area, here two houses are there, and here upper also, here I can small three houses are there. I can draw here. Top of this I have three houses. Okay, so how you will represent to other? You can show easily by preparing this map in a smaller way, and you can represent anywhere. Okay, so this is the easy. We have map, so it will be very easy to represent to other we can show them. Okay, if we prepare, you can say preparing a diagram in a paper. Okay children, so this way you have to learn the how you have to diagram you have to do in the map. Okay, you have to do a diagram to map, to represent. If you want to show someone, see I am staying here, you want to route. Just now in the last page number 242 you have learned that okay, if we want to go some new places, we don't have idea, we'll ask some people. So now it is just for everyone, it is very easy. We will prepare a map and then we will reach. And see, one more thing is there children here, in the way when the direction is there for the here, okay, you are going some temple. Okay, here in the picture they have given here churches, temple, or here see here, I will read here, keep your finger. Different signs and symbols are used in a map. Signs and symbols, different signs and symbols will be used in the map. Show different landforms, okay, water bodies and places such as temples, okay, churches, trees, rivers and roads. These symbols can be of different colors. Okay, so here in this in the one example I am showing here, this is our map. Somewhere we are going, so this is our map. Okay, here we can say this is our map. Okay, okay. So if we want to go some place here. Okay, we want to reach here some place. Like one simple way I can tell you. Temples I have written here. Okay, what I have written? Temples. Okay, I want to reach in this temple. So in the way you in the map, if you are going to this temple, if we have some green area, so what they will show in a map, they won't show the direct arrow. They will show you which type they will show you, where the water will be there. On the water you won't go with it, they will show in the blue in color. Okay, if this is water area, so in that time what in the map they will show they won't, how they will show, they will show in the blue, because blue color water area is there. Okay, okay, next it is more trees there, trees are there. So here they will show you green area. Okay, so this way you have to found the map and direction by the in the many ways, where if you are going to somewhere, then you will get the symbol of, if water is there in that map, they will show blue in color. If there is more trees are there, they will show green in color. So that type of clue we will get. So either now what they are telling, direction play a major role in helping us read a map. The main direction shown on a map are north, south, east and west. This before only I have taught you. So big role is there. Big role is there. What direction first in the simple way? In your book they have given. Here you have given the book. This is north, this is south, and this is east, and this is west. Okay. So this is our India map. Here will be north. First day only I taught you south, east, west. Okay. So in this way only it will be helpful us to get a map. It's very helpful for this to going on all over India, the direction. It will be very easy. Okay children, so this way you have to learn children. Now you have to solve here. Let us explore. Okay, how can we identify direction with the help of the sun? Try to identify the direction of your school and house using this method. Now you have to try by yourself. This one clue I am giving. See, in the direction, what, wherever in the whole world, anywhere you will go, wherever you will stand, when the sun rises, okay, when the sun rises, and you will stand there in the sunrises space, and first where your shadow, you don't know, your shadow, where it will be fall, it will be your west side. Including that, you can imagine the which side, and you have to try this one, you have to do by yourself. The clue I have given, when the sun rises in the world, whole our world is just when sun rises, and you will go and stand where your first shadow will be fall, that there it will be west side. Now west side, and now you have to identify where is your east side, north side and south side. By standing there, you have to take a test. Thank you children. I hope you will revise this page number 242 and 243. Thank you.